Good morning and Sairam students. Welcome back to your maths online classes. Children, I hope you all have done your previous work which I have given in previous video. In this video, we'll continue with the same chapter, chapter number 12, Give and Take. I have already told you that what is give and take. It is related or based on addition and subtraction. Okay, so in previous video we have complete our pages. Page number 96 we have already completed. 95. Now in this video we'll start with maths book page number 96. So you all will open your book page number 96. This is our book page number 96. Okay, so let's start. What is given in the page? How many more beads does Simar have than Rima? How many more beads does Simar have than Rima? Okay, now how many beads Simar have? Simar have 31 beads. Here 10, 20 and 30. One necklace means 10 beads. In one necklace, how many beads are there? In one necklace, 10 beads are there. So in three necklace, 30 beads are there, isn't it? And one loose bead. So Simar have 31 beads. Okay. Now Rima has how many beads? One necklace means 10. So, and how many loose beads are here? 7. So 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So Rima has total beads 17. Okay. Now the question is, how many more beads does Simar have than Rima? Okay. Now how you will find how many more beads does Simar have than Rima? We'll find with the help of subtraction. है ना? We'll find with the help of subtraction. So let's subtract. Okay. Now what is given here? Number is 1 and what is written down? It is 7. So can we subtract 7, this 7 from 1? Can we subtract? No. Can you tell me why we can't subtract? Yes, because 7 is bigger than 1. This 7 number is bigger than 1. So we cannot subtract bigger number to smaller number. So what shall we do? What shall we do? Now how we can subtract? How will subtract this? Yes, how will subtract? So this 1 will take 1. Yes, this 1 will take 1 from its neighbor. And who is the neighbor of 1? This 3 is the neighbor of 1. So this 1 will take 1 to 3. Okay, so this 3 will give 1. Okay, so this 3 will give 1. Isn't it? So 1 become 11. This 1 become 11 and this 3 become 2. Isn't it? Okay. Here, what these cats are talking? Let's read. How will you take 7 beads from 1 bead? Same. How will you take 7 beads from 1? Because 1 is smaller than 7. So, open one necklace of Simar. Simar is having how many necklaces? 3. So what this cat said? Open one necklace, this necklace. Okay. So if this cat will open this necklace, so one bead will go next side. Same, isn't it? So like here already this cat done. This she has put one here and cross this 3 and write here 2. Okay. When 3 will give one number to 1, 1 become 11 and 3 become 2. Isn't it? Okay. Now let's move on next page. Here if now we can subtract. Now we can subtract 7, isn't it? Now it is easy. You can take 7, take away 7 beads from 11. It is easy to take away 7 beads from 11. So if we'll subtract 7 from 11, what number will get? 4. Isn't it? If we'll subtract 11 or we'll 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 and 11. This you can do on your fingers also. Okay. Now we'll cut 7 beads. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now how many beads are remaining? 4 beads. So what we'll write here? 4. It is already written here. 4. Okay. Now if we'll subtract 3, if we'll subtract 1 from 2, so what we get? What we'll get? We get 1 here. Okay. It is already written here. Isn't it? So that was quick. Now take away 1 necklace from 2 necklaces. Okay. So Simar has 1 necklace and 4 beads more than Reema. So this is the total number of beads Simar is having than Reema. Isn't it? So how many beads Simar have more than Reema? It's 14 beads. How much beads? How many beads? 14 beads. Isn't it? Okay. Now let's move on. Next page. Here, practice time. Also do it in your mind. What question is written? Tanisha has 17 pencils. Sia has 25 pencils. Tanisha has 17 pencils and Sia has 25 pencils. Okay. How many pencils are there in all? How many pencils are there in all? In all means, what is the meaning of in all? It means this is the question of addition. If in all is written, it means this question is the question of addition. So we'll add these. Okay. So let's add. First we'll add these ones place and then we'll add tens place. Okay. This is tens place and this is ones place. So first we'll add ones place and then we'll add tens place. Okay. So if we'll add 7 and 5, if we will add 7 and 5, what we'll get? What is the answer? What is the addition of 7 and 5? You can count on your fingers. Okay. You can count on your fingers or you can draw lines. Okay, like this. First we'll draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 5 more lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count all the lines. Now here from here 7 lines. Then after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So in 12 we'll write here 2 and 1 will go up. Place of tens here. Carry. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So you will write here 4. So the total pencils in all are 42. Total pencils are 42. Okay. Now let's move on. Next question. Next is in Muniza's class there are 13 English storybooks. 13 are English storybooks and 22 Hindi storybooks. How many Hindi storybooks? 22. And how many English storybooks? 13. Okay. Now the question is, how many storybooks are there in all? I have already told you what is the meaning of in all. It means what you will do in this question, you will add. Already sign is given here, sign of addition. Okay. So we'll add this question. First we'll add ones place and then we'll add tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place. Okay. Now if we'll add 3 and 2. 3 plus 2. So take out your 3 fingers and then take out 2 fingers. Now how many fingers are there? 5. How many fingers are there? 5 fingers. So what we'll write here? We'll write here 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now we'll add tens place. 1 plus 2. Take out your 1 finger and now take out your 2 fingers. How many fingers are there now? 3 fingers. So what you will write? 3. So total storybooks are there in all? 35. Total storybooks are there in all? 35. Isn't it? Okay. Now move on. Next question. Next is Sakshi had 23 fruits. Sakshi had 23 fruits. She ate 15 fruits. Sakshi is having 23 fruits and she ate 15 fruits. Now question is, how many fruits are left? If left is written, what is the meaning of left? Yes, it means this is the question of subtraction or minus. Okay, when left is written, it means that type of questions are questions of subtraction, minus. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll subtract. First we'll subtract this ones place and then we'll subtract this tens place. Okay, so 3 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 3? Can we subtract 5 from 3? No. Why not? Because 5 is bigger than 3. 5 is bigger than 3. We cannot subtract bigger number to smaller number. So what shall we do? We'll take one number from its neighbor. Who is the neighbor of 3? Who is the neighbor of 3? 2. 2 is the neighbor of 3. So 2 will give one number to 3. 2 will give one number to 3. So 3 become 13 and 2 become 1. Okay. 3 become 13 and 2 become 1. Now 13 is bigger than 5. Isn't it? 13 is bigger than 5. Now we can subtract. Isn't it? Now we can subtract. So 13 minus 5. So how you will subtract? You can count forward after 5. After 5 you can count forward up to 13. So you will start with 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers comes out? Yes. How many? 8 fingers. Isn't it? Let's count again. We'll start with 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers comes out? 8 fingers. So what you will write here? You will write 8. Okay? What you will write? You will write 8. And if we will minus, if we'll subtract 1 from 1, it become 0. So what we'll write here? 0. So how many fruits are left? Yes, 8 fruits are left. How many fruits are left? 8 fruits are left. Okay? I hope you understood how you will add and subtract. Okay? Now these two questions will do yourself. This is your homework. Okay? So these questions you will do yourself. This is your homework. Okay? Okay. Children, in this video, that's much. See you soon. Again in next video. Till then you take care of yourself. Thank you and Sai Ram.